This is Eric Muadhi, themuadhi.com for September 12th, 2008. The Dow is currently trading down 37 points, and I see that the VIX is also trying to make new highs right there, which suggests to me that more and more people are thinking that this market might be trending lower. Since Thursday, I think since Wednesday evening, I have been preparing you guys for the possibility that this market is not, and I repeat, not gonna be going down any further in the short term. More than likely, this market is gonna be trending higher in the coming weeks, and this has been my call. I've tried to keep you out of the short side of this market. It's a very tricky market for everybody, but I see some sentiment change late Wednesday during the session, and we still might have a positive close today. And I also noticed that some of the sectors are turning around, and in the past they've been giving us a lot of fake buy signals, but right now I see a lot of actual, meaningful, profitable turnaround buy signals in this market. And you need to be prepared for making profits to the upside and not to the downside. Let's take a look at the Dow here, which is the 1-year daily for the Dow. Now, of course, we've tried to test this July 15th lows. We seem to be kind of holding actually above that, and now we are coming across this price channel resistance on the Dow. And now we need to move out of that to shake off some of this bad taste. And we haven't done so, but it's something we can always wait for confirmation. The other thing I would like to note, those who are part of the My Secrets upgrade are very familiar with the fact that should we move above 50 on the daily, you can expect a big update in the Dow and in the general market. Now today, what I'm going to try and do today, to me, seems like a special turnaround day in the market. So as I'm going to keep watching this market, and what I intend on doing is I'm going to keep pumping out videos for the remainder of the day. I don't know how many there'll be, and I'm going to give you some ETFs that look very good for a bounce, and I'll also give you one or two stocks within the ETFs that might probably move more than the ETF in terms of percentage gain. So look out for the videos. They are coming to you, trying to make you some money, boy. Okay, and girl. So you watch out for the videos. They're coming right now. I want to show you two stocks, and I'm gonna start with the one that I like the least, and then I'm gonna show you the one that I think is gonna be making you money, which seems to me like a pretty easy trade. So here we go. The first one is SOL. Of course, this is a solar play. You see, when this stock IPO'd and broke out of these levels around the $13 area, shown by this yellow area, it moved, had a nice move, more than doubled. We've came back, retested this area, moved up a little, all the way to 19 for a good gain, and now we've come back, and today and yesterday, actually the last 3 days, we've been bouncing off this yellow area, and now we seem to be moving. Now this is a buy situation for the stock. Obviously there are those in the market who think this is a good time to get into the stock, and I kind of agree. The only problem is we have immediate resistance here with 50-day moving average right here around 16, and this channel top line. So even though it's a buy, I see resistance. You can get in and wait to see what happens here. If you see stalling, then you get out, but if we break out of that, then it's gonna be a good one to hold, because this double, I would say, test here, and a test here is really confirmation that institutions love to buy this stock at these levels, and so you have support from institutions right now. So the one thing that I don't like it as much is because, as I said, 50-day moving average trending lower, and this price resistance channel right here. Now this is the one I like in the solar space, because like I noted, some sectors are turning around and they're giving us great opportunities. Now Again, those who are part of the My Secrets upgrade can go look it up. This is the Moade Virgin Breakout. And we have the 50-day moving average and the 200-day moving average. They are not trending lower. And so they've stopped trending lower, and I think this might be a better buy than SOL.